What did you like? What did you not like? What were the pros? What were the cons? And something that you might do differently tomorrow, or something that we can do differently tomorrow to improve the situation. So, Xander,
Yeah.
need a mic to start with.
No, I really enjoyed today, especially because I've been trained by the same people for actually most of my fellowship career. We really enjoyed being trained by somebody else and had a nice discussion about tactics and uh, strategies and also hearing the discussion between then the two primary trainers like you and David. So it was really nice, really interesting. Got a very difficult case, so but that was really nice. It's
Yeah. Something to change for tomorrow?
experience.
Something that you want to get out of tomorrow that you couldn't get out of today?